So guys, let's start working with our project. As you can already see here that I have already created one of my studio project, and I have only added one of the image that I'm going to use in my layouts. Rest all setting is just as default or the same layout when you create the Android Studio project. So let's start working with our activity.main XML. And one more thing, that I have deleted that extra text view which by default comes when you create a project, so I'm not going to use that. Let's go and first to widgets, and here I'm going to import one of the image view. That image view I'm going to use in my project, and I'm going to use this for this image. So this can be for any logo. You can use it to set a logo. Now that we have to create three XMLs having color segments, and we are going to animate those color into the background. If you have seen in the starting of the video that the color are animating, so let's go and create three XMLs, and I will use these gradient color segments. So like I am going to create three layouts, or you can say three color segments, and I'm going to use I'm going to use these gradients. So you can always get these gradients from the websites, or I will give one of the link of the website in the description box below, so you can get that. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just give it to a shape. Now it could be any shape, but here we are working into the background part, so it should be rectangular. So again type shape type, sorry, again type shape, and you have to give it to rectangle, and here you have to give a gradient. Now gradient has three parts, like start color, end color, and center color. So like right now I have two colors in each layout. You will see here that the first layout has two colors, second layout has two colors, and third layout has two colors. So I'm going to take start color, and let's go with the first, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to copy the same for the last one, and I'm going to paste it here into the end color, and this should be of a type linear, and close this. Let me take this down, and let's see the preview how it is looking. So similarly we have to do for the three layouts. So let's create Now we have our three color layouts and we have to merge these three color layouts into one XML, and that XML we will use in our constraints layout background. So let's just go again into Drawtables and create one new Drawable resource file. So by default, we have a selector selected here. So we have to change this into animation list, and we have to import all those three layouts into this XML, and that we will animate one after another. So we have to give the drawable layout one within drawable, and we have to give its duration. Now this is for one layout, and we have to do the same for the other two layouts, layout 2 and for the layout 3, and we have to change it to layout 2 and layout 3 similarly, and we are done with this XML. Now we have to go into our layout and into main XML, and we have to search for constraint layout, and here we have to give our id which is not present here. So let's give the id first, id, and let me give it to the layout, and we have to give the background, and here instead of any color or any image we will give our xml that animation list.